Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your GC app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notification categories down here. So you come here to Cordial here and you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now for notifications. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.